Today's design and construction projects require disparate teams to collaborate closely so they can complete projects on time and on budget. But with distinct teams come data silos and disconnected communication. Autodesk BIM 360 removes these barriers with a single platform that connects design and construction processes and project teams in one place. BIM 360 Coordinate speeds the coordination process between contractors, designers, fabricators, and trades so they can identify and resolve problems between participants before construction begins, saving time and money. With BIM 360 Coordinate, teams can merge models in the cloud to accelerate constructability reviews on and off the job site. Navigate aggregated models and toggle visibility to hide and reveal model components. Get clash results immediately when new model versions are published and drill down to clash details. Create issues from relevant clashes or tag clashes as not issues and assign reviewer to improve visibility into what issues need attention quickly. Create multiple coordination spaces to encourage design and trade partners to experiment with options and develop their work-in-progress models while clash checking them against models shared by other teams. With the support of more than 60 file types, including IFC files and offline model viewing, team members have access in the field to needed information on their mobile device. Coordination is put into the hands of the entire project team, democratizing specialized tasks and letting multidisciplined teams take responsibility for the quality and accuracy of their content in real time. BIM 360 Coordinate is part of Autodesk BIM 360, the only cloud platform that connects design and construction teams, processes, and data to inform decision-making, improve outcomes, and accelerate project delivery. Experience the power of a connected project. Try BIM 360 today.